Well, I'm back. Look at that. They got it all set up, ready to get going here. And so we praise the Lord. Man, when I tell you all, this is such a blessing. This has been a breakthrough for our ministry. And the reason why I keep testifying is because, man, God is so great. So great, so great. I can't wait to see the finished product. Look at this. Lord have mercy, they working. They are working. TNT, you got to shout. Anybody else, you need to shout. You got to shout because it's happening. Temple project. It is happening. Our nets are breaking. Our nets are breaking. Praise the Lord. Look at that. All in the back. They are working. Then it worked to get us in here to pack this place out with souls and do what God has called us to do. We are the house of miracles. Signs of wonders create impact. Yes, Lord.